In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an existing invoice in Xero. If you bill similar work again and again, copying an invoice is a fast, reliable way to reuse the same details without starting from scratch. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what each one does, and share a few quick tips so you avoid common mistakes. First, head to the sales area in your Xero dashboard. You'll find sales in the main navigation. This is where Xero groups everything related to what you sell, including quotes and invoices. Opening sales ensures you're in the right place to work with your billing history and create new documents based on what you've already sent. Next, choose invoices. This opens your full invoices list, including drafts, awaiting approval, and sent invoices. If you've got a long list, use the search bar or filters to locate the invoice you want to read. Filtering by contact, status, or date can save a lot of scrolling. The goal here is simply to get to the specific invoice whose details you want to duplicate. Once you've found it, open that invoice and look for the three dots menu, sometimes called the More Options or Overflow menu. It's typically at the top right of the invoice screen and holds extra actions that aren't shown as big buttons. Clicking those three dots expands a small menu of advanced options. This is the doorway to copying, so make sure you're on the correct invoice before you proceed. From the menu, select Copy to Draft Invoice. The moment you click this, Xero creates a brand new draft that mirrors the original. The contact, line items, unit prices, tax settings, and any descriptions are duplicated. This keeps your formatting and calculations consistent, and it greatly reduces the chance of typos. Because it's a draft, nothing is sent to your customer yet. This is your safe space to review and edit. Take a moment to update the invoice date and due date, adjust any quantities or prices if the new job differs, and check tax rates and tracking categories if you use them. If the original invoice included notes, payment terms, or references, confirm they still apply. When everything looks right, you can approve and send the invoice just like any other draft in Xero. That's all it takes. Go to Sales, open Invoices, use the three dots on the invoice you want, and choose Copy to Draft Invoice. With this simple workflow, you'll save time, maintain accuracy, and keep your invoicing process consistent across repeat jobs.